All right, we're done with the site. One thing you could do is you can get rid of anything that's commented out. Once I'm ready to go to production, I like to get rid of all this stuff that I'm not using. I kept it there just in case I needed to go and revert back. But everything's looking pretty good, so I'll go ahead and close that. Yes. And we're done with mission. And we're done with content. And actually, we're done with Sublime Text. All right, so what are we going to do next? You need to zip your tennis folder because that's going to be upload to assignment 4. So I'm going to go ahead and what you do is just right mouse click on it, but see how that thing turns blue and starts to spin? So I've already done it. You would select send to compressed zip folder and it'll come up and call it zip tennis.zip. There it goes. So you would do send to compressed zip folder. And if you do that, it'll say you want to call it tennis, and that's fine. That's good to go. Then I'm going to double click on there because what I need to do is I need to upload to FreeHostia everything inside that folder. So let's go to FreeHostia and not there. All right, FreeHostia. No, not there. There it is. All right, so here is FreeHostia. I created the assignment3.club. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing for tennis. I'm going to, so right now I have that. So I'm going to do is create subdomain. I'm going to call this assignment 4, no spaces, no capital. And then I'm going to add the host. All right, and if I open it up, there it is, assignment 4. In fact, I can go ahead and copy this. And now I'm going to come up here to Files and go into File Manager. And here are my folders. So anytime I create a subdomain, it automatically makes up a folder. I'm going to double click on my assignment 4, and there's nothing in it. It's empty. Then I'm going to drag this thing over. Making sure that empty folder, see, empty folder is still there. All right, so there's empty folder still. You want to make sure that you can see this empty folder because that's where I'm going to drag my files into. So here I can go ahead and select all these, but I don't need all of them. I don't need content. That's all I don't need. And I don't need template, but I'm going to go ahead and drag it anyway. It's not going to hurt. They're 1 kilobyte files, so it's not like I'm going to do a lot. So now we're going to take these, hold down my left mouse button, and drag it down until this turns peach. Once it turns peach, I let go. Shebang. Now everything is up. So once it gets there, I can go to a new tab, right mouse click, and then paste and go to assignment 4, and there it is. And I can test each one to make sure that it's working for everything, and it sure is. All right. Now that I know that it's working, I'm going to go to my assignments. I'm going to click on assignments. Okay, assignment 4 is open, so I'm going to click on that. Remember, I copied the address from the hosted domain section. If not, you can copy and paste it from here, but I've already copied and pasted it, so I don't need to do it a second time. It's already in clipboard. Whoops, not there. All right, so here's the assignment. I'm going to paste in my address. I'm going to paste in my address. There it is. All right, so that's the one. So my instructor can copy and paste that into the browser and see it. Then I'm going to add a file because I got to put my zip file up there too. And it's on my computer. Upload. And it's in assignment 4. I select my zip, open it up. and then edit. Okay, so now I have an address. Again, do not type in this address. If you type it in, you're going to make a typo. Then your instructor is going to try to grade it, and it's going to come up site not found. So very important. Copy and paste this from either FreeHostia or just, well, you can't copy it from there, or just copy it directly from the browser. It doesn't make a difference if it had index.html at the end. It's still going to work for your instructor. And then I submit. All right, and it shows that sent me an email. Now, this doesn't count unless I hit done. So that's the last thing I'm going to do is done, done, and done. And now I'm ready to go on to week 5, having submitted my assignment. All right. See you in week 5.